Hi everybody, this is Devlina, CEO Climber Crew. We are a seaweed technology platform company. We are deep into the seaweed space, but we're using technology and science to really use scientific methods of cultivation and processing of seaweed. As an industry, it's been in India for the past 20 to 25 odd years, but we realize that there's a large gap in measured and scientific methods of cultivation where the benefit to the farmers and benefit to the community and the climate and also the end business was not really happening at full scale. So the basic motto with which we really approach this space is to be able to scale Indian cultivation of seaweed and also its application. Me and my team's specialization has been to be able to analyze satellite data for monitoring multiple different ocean observation data, analyzing them, and forming marine models for the marine fisheries, which also seaweed is a part. So our ocean modeling or ocean data analysis really helps us understand where to cultivate, where not to cultivate, and how to cultivate the seaweed using the best of methods and models. We are at a stage where we started last year. We started commercial sales, so we are for some of our products we are selling commercially, but we are still at the stage where we are doing agri trials. We need more and more interaction with farmers, interaction with people in the industry, and agri as an industry is it can be complex for a startup at this stage to really maneuver and navigate across all aspects of regulations and access to farmer networks, understanding the requirement, understanding various crop patterns. So that's where AFI has really helped us. We have been engaging over the past 6 months, and they have helped us with multiple sessions, so which has given us one-to-one access to mentor sessions on various different knowledge bases that were already existing in the industry, which we didn't have to really learn and look for, and it was provided to us in sessions. And most importantly, the connection that we had with our mentors. My mentor was Vijay Nath, and Vijay's input on either the farmer handbook or the various farming schemes has been very helpful to us. And apart from that, we have been in very close connect with Emmanuel. Emmanuel has helped us with multiple different connects and networks for the trials per se. Hemendra sir has been have been in time for some time now, and also through AFI, we kind of renewed our discussion on around seaweed especially, and he has always been the big mentor guide and helping us with not only the connects but also to kind of understand the entire landscape and how to really go ahead. And apart from that, we also had a very good session with Sachin and Apurva. I would like to end the note with thanking AFI and the entire team to designing this program. Really helpful for startups like us. We are at an intersection of multiple things,